Hi everyone, this is third part of scraping series. In the last video, that is part 2, we have fetched the list of book URLs, and in this video, we will fetch the content of each URLs. We will fetch all these elements. In the last video, we saw 4 syntaxes. Those are how to fetch raw content from URL. Then convert the raw content into a beautiful SOAP object. Then find all the tags with the given criteria, and last find first tag. And we will keep using those syntax repeatedly in our scraping code. In the last part, we had already fetched 20 book URLs. In this part, we will download content of each URL and extract the information. So let's create a small function to do all this extraction part. I'll name the function as scrapebook. It will accept the URL as argument, and I will call this function in our main code where I will pass the URL. This is my output. I have just printed whatever I have received in URL argument. Now I'll extract title, price, availability, number of reviews, rating, category of book which is most important, then product description, UPC number, and I'll extract the entire table. First thing first, I'll fetch the content from the URL. And I'll call the function. This is my title. This is my product description. It is in meta tag. This is my category. Then again we have description. Now here I'll get remaining information from table. So tr, td are basically tags of table. Tr is for rows and td is the data inside the row. Now let's start by extracting book's name. Book's name is in li tag with the class name equal to active. So you already know the syntax, right? How to fetch first tag with the given class name. Soap.find, my tag is li and class name is active. And I don't want tag object, I want text inside of tag object. So I'll write dot text. Now I'll print the name. Oops. This is my book name. Now I'll extract the description. It is in meta tag. Fetch the meta tag where name is equal to description. And I want content. So here I don't want text now. My description is inside the content attribute. Therefore I will use get function. Now let me print my description. This is my description. We will see how to extract data from this table in the next video. Keep watching.